Well, Uber and Lyft drivers have finally won the fight against Uber and Lyft for more pay. So we're gonna dive into that, but this is breaking news because for years, drivers have been protesting, trying to get their voice out there, and all those protests, all those strikes have finally paid off, all right? So thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. Before we jump in, if you're looking for a new way or another way to make money, there is an incredible opportunity to make money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel, all right? Here in the past 365 days, one of my several channels has brought in over $10,000 per month or $130,000, and even in some months bringing in over $20,000, $30,000, and some days bringing in over $1,000 a day. So if you want to learn how to do this, you don't need any experience. You don't need a following. You don't need to have ever made a video before. But for right now, there's a 30-day free trial to get it all set up. I've been doing this for over 5 years. It's how I bought this house I'm sitting in. So if you want to learn how to do it, maybe you just want to pay off some credit card debt, maybe you want to, pay off your car or, escape the gig life, click the link below and join that 30-day free trial. You'll get access to all the material to set up your page and also a group chat too, where I interact with you guys and give you feedback and actually help guide you along the way. Okay, Uber and Lyft are fighting minimum wage laws, but in this state, drivers won. In a windowless room, Uber driver Farhan Badel took the podium in front of a committee of Minnesota state legislators in early May. As Badel leaned into the microphone and started speaking, the room quieted. Testifying before lawmakers was something he'd done nearly a dozen times before, but he says this time felt like his last chance. He said this: "We've been fighting for 2 long years," referencing ride-hail drivers' battle to get a minimum wage law passed in the state. He said his message to lawmakers was this: Uber and Lyft, especially Uber, notorious for their shady lobbying, should not be allowed to dictate what becomes law in this state. This is a David versus Goliath. This driver, he said, look, I'm not giving up. 2 years he's been trying to get minimum wage for his job. It's kind of funny to me and it's a little interesting to me because if you want to get minimum wage so bad, why wouldn't you just go work at a job that offers minimum wage? Why would you spend 2 years of your life trying to make a company pay you minimum wage? Because you're just obviously spending hours and hours and hours, on this to pass this legislation. But the craziest part is, you know what that saying is? They call you crazy until you're successful, and then once you're successful, they call you a genius. That's exactly Badel. Now Badel is a genius, but for 2 years, people probably called him crazy. Dude, why are you wasting all this time? No one's gonna change. Well, now it changed, and not only for him, but for all the drivers in Minnesota. So I hope this does happen in other states as well, because this is really, really huge news for gig workers to actually get now minimum wage. So that's pretty cool. Now, if you're looking for a new way to make money, again, like I said, join the Faceless YouTube channel program. Again, I've made over 130 grand in the past 365 days, which is, life-changing money. It's been life-changing money for me, but this is only on one of my channels. I have multiple channels. So if you want to learn how to do it, check out the link below. We also have a program for TikTok Shop, which is blowing up like crazy. TikTok Shop, you can either make money in 2 ways on TikTok Shop: promoting your own products, your own store shop, which I'll teach you how to set up. That's something I do. I actually have my own brand on TikTok Shop. Or you can promote other people's products, other companies' products, and get commissions on those sales, which I'm also doing. So if you want to learn either of those ways, we have tutorials, links below. It's the TikTok Shop Premium program. Once you join that, you get access to both of those trainings, and then you also get access to the group chat as well. And there's a 30-day free trial right now for that. So check those out. Thanks for watching. I'll have those linked below. Thanks for watching. Bye now.